Meaning of FX.
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 FX. FX generally refers to the foreign exchange market, where currencies are bought and sold. It is a decentralized financial market that operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, and is one of the largest and most liquid markets in the world. Foreign exchange plays an important role in international trade and business, allowing companies and individuals to conduct transactions across borders. It also affects the global economy and can impact exchange rates, inflation, and interest rates. Understanding the FX market can be crucial for investors, traders, and anyone involved in international commerce.